And now we're going to replace the cartridge on the kitchen sink. So we have to remove the handle and the old cartridge, and the new cartridge will come in a package looking similar to this. The orientation for the placement is important. There are two little prongs that have to be put into the right position in the housing, or else it doesn't seal correctly. So it's important to get these little prongs in the right place. We'll put our screw on the retainer nut. I'm going to put a little lubricant on that just to help it go on more smoothly. And as you finish putting the retainer nut on, you do not want to put too much muscle into getting it screwed down. It should be snug, but not over tightened. Okay, so just snug. Also be cautious of these very fine threads. Can you see those? Very fine threads that are for the bonnet. The bonnet will sit on here, and you don't want to mess those threads up for your bonnet. And the last part is the handle, and it attaches to the stem right there, and we have a operating sink valve.